Hey guys, David the Infoman here, and welcome to my Viral Newsjacker review. Now, inside this review, I'm going to go ahead and show you inside the members area of Viral Newsjacker. I'm going to show you all of the upsells and all of the funnel, and I'm also going to show you how it works and what you're going to be creating with Viral Newsjacker, which is actually viral news websites with this. And if you stick with me, I'm going to show you some custom bonuses that I made specifically for Viral Newsjacker. Now, I put together my best traffic bonuses for this course, specifically for this product Viral Newsjacker, because I want you to get the best out of Viral Newsjacker, and I also want you to have traffic to send to your website so that you can convert those into, say, CPA leads, affiliate sales, or even just AdSense. Like, you could put AdSense on these sites and make money because of these viral news articles bringing in tons of organic traffic, or traffic maybe through a Facebook page or something along those lines. So let's go ahead now and jump inside of Viral Newsjacker. I'm going to show you everything that there is to know about it. So Viral Newsjacker, I'm here in the members area right now, and this is what you're going to see if you decide to pick up Viral Newsjacker. Now just scroll down and you'll see this instructional video right here. This is going to be the first thing that you're going to see. You can come down here, you can register for the VIP members workshop. And then if you scroll down here, there's going to be exclusive bonuses that the vendor has provided for you if you decide to get this. Now, this is where the fun starts right here. This is where you're going to download your plugin. So all you have to do is just click download plugin, and it should start downloading right away. You can also download the premium WordPress theme that they have given to you specifically for this method to bring in a lot of traffic and to make your website really look like a viral news site. And let's go ahead and just take a look at what that theme looks like. So here is one example of what this theme looks like. So this is the Viral Newsjacker theme. This is what you're going to be getting as part of Viral Newsjacker. And as you can see, it has a sidebar content here with a bunch of different viral news articles. And then it has your main content down here. It has a menu and it has a bunch of good stuff. So this is created specifically to get clicks to these different articles so that you can actually promote ads on the side of the sidebar there, or you can promote them inside the articles wherever you'd like. This is another one right here, so just slightly different, but pretty much the same kind of thing. So you could have an ad right here. You could sell affiliate products. You could sell anything you want to. You can create specific niche websites with this, so like a specific niche of news. So it could be like survival news or political news, any kind of news that you want to do. And that is what they look like essentially. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the members area one more time here. I'm just going to show you a little bit more about it. So if you scroll down, you're also going to get a bunch of training videos teaching you exactly how to use Viral Newsjacker, how to set it up, the plugin, and everything that you need to know about it. Now let's go ahead and jump into the sales page. So this is the sales page that you're going to get hit with if you decide to pick up Viral Newsjacker. Now, in order to get to this sales page, go ahead and click on the link down below this video inside the description. It will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this for Viral Newsjacker. And then you can go ahead and click on any of these green buttons and it'll take you right to the sales page. So the sales page headline says, "Set and forget, automated income sites pull in 3+ figures of passive profits daily." So the way that they're getting these profits are from 1, ads, 2, from CPA offers, and 3, from affiliate products, maybe like ClickBank or different things like that. So you'll have a video here, tons of bullet points telling you exactly what you're going to be getting with this method. And then if you scroll down, it's going to show you all the 3 steps that you need to do in order to set this up. So first, you activate the software. Second, you launch your site. And third, you watch the videos to learn how to do viral traffic. But in my bonuses, I'm going to teach you how to get traffic through various different traffic sources. So I will get to that in just a second. You're going to be interested in those because it's going to help you get traffic to your viral content sites. So you can scroll down here and you can see a bunch of income proof, testimonials, and all that good stuff. So on your own time, come on and scroll down and check out this sales page. There's a lot of good information about Viral Newsjacker on the sales page. Let's dive into my bonuses now. So this is my favorite part, getting to talk about the training that I've personally created for you so that you could have success with this product. So number one is Quora Secrets. Now this is going to teach you how to outrank other people inside of Quora so that you can get tons of traffic to your viral news site by people asking questions. So people might ask, political questions or survival questions or any kind of niche questions that you might want to answer. You could answer those questions and then drive traffic to your website. Bonus number two, I'm going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos, which is a great way to get traffic, especially with viral news sites. You need some kind of video. So what I would actually recommend is putting together a bunch of different pictures from the viral news plugin. So they're actually going to give you pictures that you can take and use in your articles and in your videos. And I'm going to teach you how to rank those videos in this bonus. Now, bonus number three, I'm going to teach you how I rank my YouTube videos in this specific system. So this is a strategy that nobody shares because I'm using a specific system to rank my videos, and I'm going to show you how to do that in that bonus. Bonus number four is my Instagram bonus. This is going to teach you how to get tons of followers to your profile organically without any kind of follow and unfollow, and take all of those followers and put them onto your viral news site to make money from them. Now, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for Viral News Jacker, so if you don't like it for any reason, you can get your money back. So now let's go ahead and dive into the plugin. So I've actually installed the plugin. In order to install the plugin for Viral News Jacker, you're just going to go into the plugin section of your WordPress website. You're going to click Add New. You're going to click Upload Plugin. And then I would just drag and drop it right on to there, and it'll start uploading automatically. So here is what the plugin will actually look like on your site. So first thing you need to do is get your API key, and all you have to do is just click on this link, follow the instructions by entering in your registration information, and you'll get your API key. And then you'd have to go to your campaigns, and that's where you're going to set up all your campaigns inside of Viral News Jacker. Now, you're also going to get the theme, like I said before, that looks like this, and they're going to automatically create the content for you. The photos and the content will all be created with inside this Viral News plugin. So this is a done-for-you system where all you have to do is just get traffic to it. And inside of the members area, they also have a little bit of traffic training here. However, the traffic really comes in if you want deep, detailed training on traffic. That's going to be in the upsells, which we're going to talk about right now. So this is kind of the pricing structure for Viral News Jacker. It's going to start off at $21.97, and it's going to go up on a dime sale. That means the longer you wait, the more expensive the front end will be. And the front end is going to give you that plugin, that members area, and that theme all inside the front end. Now, OTO number one is Viral News Unlimited. So this right here is going to give you unlimited websites. So you can create as many websites as you want. OTO 2 is done for you themes. So they're going to give you specific done for you themes depending on different niches of viral news that you want to target inside of your campaigns and your news sites. OTO number 3 is automatic traffic flow. And this is what I meant by saying traffic teaching, traffic campaigns are going to be taught inside of the upsell. So OTO number 3 is going to teach you how to get traffic, as well as OTO number 4 is going to teach you how to get YouTube traffic. But I've covered you in my bonuses with YouTube traffic. Now, OTO number 5 is triple threat traffic, and this is just more traffic training on how to get tons of traffic to your website. And OTO number 6 is the license rights. This is going to allow you to sell Viral News Jacker as your own product. So those are the upsells and the funnel for Viral News Jacker. One more time, what you're going to get with Viral News Jacker is you're going to get this theme. You're also going to get the plugin that allows you to create content and images basically on tap from siphoning it from different news websites. So if you're at all interested in Viral News Jacker, go ahead and click on the link down below this video. It'll take you to my bonus page, and then you can go ahead and get all of those bonuses with Viral News Jacker if you decide that you like it and that it's something that you could use in your business. Basically, the business model is going to be creating different viral news sites and then getting viral traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all these different traffic sources to your websites and then taking that content and monetizing it with CPA offers, affiliate products, or just AdSense in general. So that is Viral Newsjacker. I'm Infoman, and I will see you next time. Thank you for checking out my Viral Newsjacker review.